Unfortunately, I have three very bad stories I have to tell you about current attacks on the US legal system. No jokes for this one, please leave a comment below because it's very important. Number one, the current US speaker is floating the idea of eliminating federal courts. Here's a couple of this guy's quotes. Quote, "We do have the authority over the federal courts, as you know. We can eliminate an entire district court. We have power of funding over the courts and all of these things. But desperate times call for desperate measures and Congress is going to act." What is the significance of this? Well, a judge had tried to block the administration from using something called the Alien Enemies Act to deport individuals without due process. To place this situation in a historical context, this is like that turning point in Rome or in 1930s and 1940s Germany, just by example. There's no exaggerations. Continue to listen to this video, please. Number two, the current administration is trying to have a purge against three of the biggest law firms that could work with other public officials to stop his executive orders. These are not just normal law firms. They have security clearances and are able to represent clients in sensitive cases. Now, they have their security clearances revoked and they're no longer able to handle sensitive cases. Therefore, there's less legal authority to stop the current administration. Number three, the current administration is acting like a mafia and using executive orders in order to target one specific international law firm. Not only did this law firm pursue past investigations of him, but he was also going to terminate their federal contracts and suspend their security clearances unless they abandon their diversity policies and provide $40 million worth of free legal work to support the White House initiatives. Many of these initiatives will be used eventually to provide the theoretical justifications for committing abuses against Americans and also against potential law firms. Ultimately, the stone-cold reality of the situation is the reason why I'm approaching this more serious than the other stories is because this is quite literally one of the last few things that is in the administration's way before we cannot stop anything. Keep in mind, the Supreme Court just gave the current administration immunity from prosecution for their actions. If you're a president committing actions that are believed to be a part of your office, you can get away with it. So once these current legal systems are dismantled, there's nothing left. Do you believe in due process? Do you believe in the Constitution? Do you believe in the separations of powers? If you believe in quite literally any of these American ideals, there is no way that you can support any of this. And if you do, you have sold out. Please share this because I know that this is important and nobody's going to hear about it.